You know that feeling when your body wakes up slower than your alarm did? Your spine feels stiff, shoulders tight, hips heavy. They've been holding yesterday's weight. This is how we change that. Let's hit the mat. Let's start in child's pose, knees wide, arms reaching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Breathe into your lower back. Now glide forward, hips dropping, chest lifting into cobra. Repeat, slow and steady, flowing like a wave. This is spinal restoration in motion. Forward equals grounding, upward equals expansion. I promise this move will reset your nervous system and create space across your spine before your day even begins. Beginners, keep the cobra low, elbows bent. Advanced, straighten your arms and lift your chest higher with each breath. The stretch flow gently activates your entire anterior and posterior chain. Hold that cobra for just 5 more seconds. Can you feel the length returning? That just gave your spine a breath of fresh air. Now let's release the tension in your shoulders. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward, keeping hips stacked over knees. Let your chest melt toward the floor. Chin or forehead down, whichever feels safe for your neck. The stretch targets the upper spine and shoulders, where most of us carry tension we don't even realize. I promise this will release deep tension around your thoracic spine and bring mobility back to your shoulder blades. Beginners, support your chest with a cushion or blanket. Advanced, walk the hands out even further and try to press your chest toward the mat. Can you feel your breath moving into your armpits? That's real expansion. Five more seconds. Melt a little deeper. That just unlocked your upper body. Now we're opening through the front. Lower down onto your belly, elbows under your shoulders, forearms flat. Gently lift your chest, press into the mat. Keep your glutes relaxed and neck long. This is your soft front body opener. No strain, just space. I promise this opens the abdominals, stretches the spine, and teaches your body how to lift without tension. Beginners, shift elbows slightly forward if there's pressure in your lower back. Advanced, add gentle pulsing breaths, lifting through the crown of your head. Next, we'll target the deepest part of your hips. You ready? Hold it. 5 more seconds. Stay tall. That just centers your core. Now let's dig into your core. Come onto all fours. Extend your right arm forward and left leg straight back. Reach long, then pull elbow and knee under your body. Repeat slowly. This is your brain-body connection drill. Balance, strength, coordination, all turned on. I promise this will activate your deep core muscles, align your spine, and sharpen your focus. Beginners, keep the knee and hand closer to the mat. Advanced, pause for 2 seconds at full extension. Hold that last rep 5 seconds. Stay steady. Switch sides. Final move. Make it count. Stretch long. Pull in. Own every inch of the movement. Ask yourself, am I moving with control or just trying to finish? 5 more seconds. Stay present. That just sealed in your spine and core alignment. Now take that energy into your day.